Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Quantum Unicorn. The LeetCode problem we are solving in this video is contents duplicate. According to the problem description, we are given an integer array nums. Our solution should return true if any value in nums appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Well, the intuition behind solving the contents duplicate problem is to check if any element in the given array appears at least twice. One approach to solving this problem is to use a hash set to keep track of the unique elements seen so far. As we iterate through the array, we can check if the current element is already in the hash set. If it is, then we have found a duplicate and can return true. If we iterate through the entire array without finding a duplicate, then we can return false. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, where n is the length of the input array, and the space complexity is also O of n, since we need to store all the unique elements in the hash set. All right, let's take a look at the code. The code starts by defining a class called solution with a method called contents duplicate that takes an argument nums, which is the list of integers. And hset equals to set. This line initializes an empty set called hset to store the unique elements of the list. For idx in nums, this line sets up a loop that iterates over each element of the input list nums. And this block of code checks if the current element idx is already in the set hset. If it is, that means the element has already been encountered in the list and the function should return true. If the element is not already in the set, it is added to the set using the add method. Overall, the logic of the code is to iterate over the first and check if each element has already been encountered by storing it in a set. If a duplicate is found, the function returns true. If no duplicates are found after iterating over the entire list, the function returns false. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And also, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon on to receive the latest updates. Happy coding, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.